Did you know that you don't have to actually draw a whole head of curls to draw curly hair? All you need to do is first start off by making a few face framing curls, and 2 squiggly lines that taper into each other will work perfectly fine for now, and start sketching out the curls on the perimeter of the hair. What you don't want to do is make a single curly line that goes all the way down to the end. Starting from the crown of the head, go around the perimeter, making a few separate curls, and this will create many layers. Then you can go back and add a few more curls around it to make it look more organic. And then bring some going around the neck. To close off the end of the hair, make a whole bunch of different curls that flood into each other. Then you can add a few more face framing pieces. Then after that, you can start filling in everything except for the face framing pieces. Redefine those curls going all around the perimeter. Doesn't need to be super dark right now, just try to get an even amount of coverage over everything and get in between those cracks of the face framing pieces. Then you can use your finger or a Q-tip and blend everything together. You can blend out the hair on the perimeter a little bit, and that'll make it look really natural. And also blend out the hairline. And then you can go back in and add even more on top of it, and then repeat the process and blend it out. And you can start redefining the hair going around the perimeter. And once you've done that, you can go in with your eraser, and you can start erasing some squiggly lines throughout the hair. This will add a lot of dimension. Then you can start adding shading around those hairs that you erased, and you can honestly leave it like that. Or you can do what I did and draw curls onto the pieces you erased.